Hi there, my name is Sarita Akia and I'm the owner of Smack, short for Sarita's Macaroni and Cheese. Today we're going to be doing a macaroni and cheese with beef chili dish. So our ingredients in front of us are a bechamel sauce, elbow macaroni, sharp cheddar cheese, American cheese, canned corn, ground beef, and to the side of that a touch of tomato paste, and also some breadcrumbs to top off. So we're going to start with our bechamel sauce first. This bechamel sauce is comprised of whole milk, butter, flour, salt, pepper, nutmeg. Please always use whole milk. Do not use 1% or 2% or skim, because you want a creamy base to melt your cheese into. Our pasta is cooked al dente. Our cheeses are shredded. Canned corn, easy, just drain it and take it out of the container. The ground beef, I've sauteed that with a few things to give it an extra kick. We've got garlic, we have onions, salt, pepper, a little bit of Dijon mustard, a little bit of ketchup, and some chili powder. The tomato paste, straight from the can, and we're using cornflake crumbs today. Now what you're going to do with all of these, you're going to combine them in a bowl, mix them up, transfer them to a baking dish, bake at 400 degrees for approximately 15 minutes. At the end, if you want to brown the top and get it crisp, I recommend broiling it for 4 to 5 minutes on high. My name is Sarita Akia, and I'm the owner of Smack, and that's how you do a macaroni and cheese with beef chili dish.